Hello everyone, let's open Visual Studio Code and I go here, file, open folder. So our today's topic is going to be about the functions. I'm going to create a new file. I call it topic 5 and functions dot ipynb. Okay, so what are functions and why we need them? Let's say we already know about making data types, x is equals to 10, y is equals to 20, and I write a program to add two numbers. Let's say I write there as an s string, sum of x and y is this, difference of x and y is this, the product is, and the quotient this. Now I know the sum, difference, product, and quotients of all of like all of these 10 and 29, but I want to calculate it. I want to keep this data and I want to recalculate it for some other values, for example. Then I have to rewrite the whole program again and again like this. I have to, let's say, calculate for 23 and 10. So I have to rewrite the whole program again. But when I make it a module or a function or a system, then I will not need it because these values are repeating. So I just copy them and I write define a function for with a name. I can write any name here, calculator, for example. It takes two inputs. So in the small brackets, I will write the first input and the second input. And after that, I can simply paste that code in it. So if I run it now, the function is working fine. So the benefit is if I have to get the results, let's say I write there calculator 10 and 29, it will give me results. And again, if I write there calculator 10 and 23 and 10, it will still give me output like this. So the benefit is where I was writing the whole code again and again, I can just make it a package and I can just call it name. Uh, with this one. So I can keep on calling, keep on getting results. If I want to write again, then I can just write some other values and then can get results for all. So this is a benefit of using functions. Thank you so much for joining. And in the very last thing, I can also return things. For example, right now I return nothing in it, so that's why it will not show us anything because by default the return is nothing. So let's do one example for return also. Let's say I have to make a calculator. I write there, let's say I have an equation. So I write there get force by providing it mass and acceleration. So this can give us a force, get force underscore force, we get force, and then I can just call this function get force and will provide it some values, it will give me the output. Get force, and by writing some different values I can get the value, but this output will store in a variable where I want to keep it. Let's say store in a y, and I can print y and get it, while here I was not printing or returning anywhere. Thank you so much for watching to this video. See you next time. Take care. Have a very good evening.